Hello everyone, and welcome to the Monday night edition of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com. In this video, we will recap today's market action and discuss our trading plan for tomorrow. But first, if you want our free reports, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com with your email. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And in the welcome email, you will get the free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat rooms. With that out of the way, first up, guys, we published a research report for subscribers on a low-float NASDAQ biotech penny stock trading on Friday. Key highlights included the market cap under $8 million, float under $4 million, cancer treatment drug trials this year, and almost $8 million in cash and no debt. Subscribers have already gotten our reports. The stock was up 5% today. If you want to get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Even if you don't want to be a subscriber, you can sign up, get the report, and unsubscribe. It's all completely free. I said last night that my plan for Monday was to simply watch the markets. There's nothing wrong with watching the markets. You can learn a lot just by watching. Tomorrow, the focus will be on Jay Powell's speech at 12:40 p.m. Eastern. This will be his first comment since Friday's jobs report. The takeaways from his last press conference excited the bulls with his talk about disinflation, that means inflation coming down, and a slowing of rate hikes. But the January jobs report came in with a scorching rise in payrolls last week and a drop in the unemployment rate to a level not seen in more than 50 years. That's leading talk of a soft landing, but Deutsche Bank has been saying not so fast. The release will certainly lead to a street-wide reduction in first half recession risks. The Deutsche Bank analyst Jim Reed says we've always felt first half 2023 was a bit too early for the U.S. recession to start, given the usual policy lag and still elevated excess savings, and this data might help support that view. Gary Cohen, former head of the Council of Economic Advisors under President Trump. He's now vice chairman at IBM, former Goldman Sachs not the head honcho, but former vice chairman at Goldman Sachs. He's saying the same thing, that you can take recession off the table for the first quarter and second quarter of 2023. Let's see what else we got here. The thing with they're talking about here, and this is what Deutsche Bank is saying, in the 6 months leading up to a U.S. recession, the unemployment rate is on average pretty flat. In the average recession that lasts about 9 months, the median rise in unemployment is 3 basis points. So recessions tend to be non-linear events. Is this time different? Clearly, job openings remain very high, which the bulls would argue will help prevent unemployment rising sharply on any slowdown. Firms might also be tempted to hoard labor, given how tough it is been to rehire post-COVID. However, the test will come if and when the recession comes and earnings fall. Then we will see if this time is different for the labor market. But ahead of tomorrow's speech, there's a couple of key takeaways. Zero Hedge is saying most of the S&P 500 options action ahead of Fed Chair Powell's noon remarks on Tuesday has been put buying, according to traders. The majority of the volume is for strikes at 4,100 and 4,050. Real Meat says, interesting. Obviously, very important Powell speech tomorrow at 12:40 p.m. Eastern. Some people are saying Powell will go Jackson Hole tomorrow and come out swinging against stocks. Again, that is the speculation. It's a tough call right now. There's a couple ways that I am thinking about playing it. These are expiration tomorrow. I'm thinking about buying the 415 calls. They closed at 41 cents today, and the 405 puts, which closed at 46 cents. Basically, I'm hedging myself. I'm looking for a sharp move one way or another off of Powell's speech. We got that on the last Wednesday with FOMC data. Powell's speech was interpreted as dovish. The bulls really liked it. This S&P was trading at 405. We ran through 410 all the way to 415 that day. So again, it was a bullish report, and calls printed. You lost money on puts, but you more than make up for whatever direction it heads in. The strategy is you lose a little with the ones that expire worthless, but you catch that big move. So again, that's what I'm looking for. I don't have anything. I don't have any puts or calls on right now, but this is what I will be looking at tomorrow. I will be looking at playing the move off of his speech. What else we got? Moving on. QBTS. We have a new article on InsiderFinancial.com. Analyst Mike Long. D-Wave, QBTS, quantum computing riding the artificial intelligence wave. So you can't have AI without quantum computing, and these names here are certainly going to get attention here going forward. Right now, I'll talk in a little bit here about the AI names, but that's all everyone's focused on. But quantum computing is the next sector that we think is going to get hot. We highly, highly recommend going and checking out this full report on InsiderFinancial.com that talks about QBTS. Also talks about QUBT, RGTI, and a little bit about the quantum computing names. So again, I will include a link in the description, or you can just go to InsiderFinancial.com. It is right there on the home page. Next up is Blue Apron, APRN. I said I'd be watching the price action today, and I really, really like the price action in APRN. Finally getting this nice little breakout, but we're still here extremely cheap. I don't see any resistance until $3. We're going to get some at 2. 43% of the float is short. Right now, the way I'm going to be looking at playing it this week, I think I'm expecting a lot of hopefully what I'll get is what I got last week in Carvana and Silvergate SI. That's what was the focus last week. We got a big run in those two names last week, and APRN sort of lagged behind last week, but now what happens is that people start, when a move happens, then they start going looking for other names that could move, and Blue Apron is one that I think can move. The calls, I'll be looking at playing the options. And guys, why do I play options? Let me explain. I know my risk. So give you an example. If I go and buy, let's say 1,000 shares of Blue Apron, that's going to cost me $1,500. Well, what is your risk? Do you risk $1 to $1,500? I mean, you risk $1, which is $1,000. You risk 50 cents. Where is your stop loss? Whereas with the trading options, you just put up $100, $200, $500, whatever you want to risk, and that's your risk. Your defined risk. You can buy X number of calls or puts for that amount of money, and it's just you're risking X to make 4X, 5X, 10X, possibly even 20X if thing goes parabolic. So again, I like to, I don't want to be risking one for one. I don't want to risk $500 to make $500. I don't want to risk $1,000 to make $1,000. I don't want to be risking $1,000 to make $500. This is how I trade. Again, you can do the exact opposite of what I do. Sometimes you'll make money. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is educational purposes only, and I have no positions right now. So I'm not talking my book. I'm telling you what I'm looking at and what I may be doing tomorrow. I may not do it. I may do it. you know, again, conditions are all different. You know, tomorrow I may not like the market. Who knows what may change, but this is what I'm looking at for right now. So I'm looking at APRN calls, the 150 or the $2. I like these setups. $2 closed at 17 cents and the 150 closed at 30 cents. So I asked you guys if you wanted options plays. Most of you said yes. I'm giving you some options strategies. Like I said, the SPY puts for tomorrow expiration, the 405s closed at 46 cents and the 415 calls closed at 41 cents. So let's see how it plays out when I talk about it in tomorrow's video. Lastly, guys, AI names continue to move. SOUN closed up 42%, BBAI up 17%, and AI up 6%. Had a big spike all the way up to 31. But AI is the one, this is the blue chip of the sector. It's got $2.57 billion market cap. Founder is Tom Siebel. For those of you that don't know who he is, he sold his company to Oracle for $5.85 billion in 2005. AI is his second act. Certainly, he's looking to make some money here. Company has just a $2.57 billion market cap. Consider he sold, his former company for $5.8 billion. I think he's looking to cash out a lot more, make a lot more money with AI. So I think if you've not caught this move, I mean, it's been incredible this year. It's up 146% year to date. There's just a lot of excitement around the AI names right now. I'd be waiting on a pullback. I wouldn't be chasing here. Again, not financial advice, just my opinion early. But overall, you know, the commenting is, you know, ongoing interest in AI names sparked further gains in stocks tied to the industry. This marked today's gain in AI. This marked the 5th consecutive day of gains for AI and the 10th higher finish in the past 12 sessions. The upswing included a rally of 18% on Friday when D.A. Davidson initiated coverage of the stock with a buy, categorizing the company as a truly scarce asset. Like I said, up almost 150% so far in 2023. And there's just a lot of excitement around this sector with Microsoft investing in OpenAI ChatGPT, Google getting ready to roll out its version of AI. AI is truly revolutionary technology, and it is the latest buzzword, and it's what everyone's talking about. And you go by sentiment. Speaking of sentiment, if you look at on StockTwits, Blue Apron, sentiment score 3.358. Extremely bullish, message volume score very high. So APRN is certainly one that sentiment driven. You got a lot of excitement around it. So let's hope we get a big squeeze. I know a lot of people that follow this channel have commented on APRN. Their APRN. They're in the stock. Let's keep our fingers crossed, and let's hope that we get the big squeeze that we're looking for in APRN. Finally, guys, Insider Financial, myself, are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is opinion. It's meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. If I see anything interesting pre-market, we'll send out an alert report to subscribers. We'll send it out via email and SMS. SMS is the fastest way to get our alerts. It goes straight to your phone. You can click on the link, read our what I have to say if I see anything exciting for you guys in the pre-market. So I do scan the markets every morning, and if there's anything exciting, we'll send out an alert. Okay, guys? Again, I can't do a quick video, but an alert is something I can do very, very fast with our text messaging provider. With that being said, thanks for watching. Also, smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.